Good morning, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this afternoon, in internet land, I'm going to show you this cartoon, which is one of my favourites. Find it in a minute. And it's this one. Because if you've woken up this morning, or you know anybody who is feeling a little bit down, let me see if I can get this slowly. And this was inspired by Lucy when she rang up and she just said, I don't like the weather. And as always, what's the most important thing is, if you feel happy inside, then it doesn't matter what the weather's like. And that's that cartoon that I love. So have a good day.